I also get the question from individuals, because I do both individual and I do families and couples. Do you ever agree with the person? So here's my answer. I will always agree in injustice, okay, of blatant injustice. But I feel that if I agree completely, I'm letting the person off the hook from looking at what their duplicity is, what they are doing to participate in the situation that they're in. If I just agree, then how am I helping them to see and to prevent the next setup? Because I always say to people that things come in different disguises. So if I agree with you that, he's a jackass, or he's this, or he's that, or she's this, or she's that, and then you get into the next relationship and you do the same thing again, how is that helping you? So I'm going to be more in, yeah, that was really not such a great thing that they did, but what did you do to precipitate it? What did you do? What patterns are you following? What kinds of people and types of people are you choosing that you keep getting yourself into these situations?